Hi, my name is Dr. Melissa Carr, and I am a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. I've been doing a series of videos showing people how to use some basic TCM tools, how to apply press needles, how to use ear seeds, how to find acupressure points, and how to do acupressure. I did miss one tool and I also did a video on how to do cupping as well. And so I forgot one tool that I think is also handy to do at home, and this is a mini jade roller. So there are larger jade rollers as well. What I like about these is you can use them on your face and they feel really good. So when I use these on patients, they often ask me if I've kept it in the fridge or the freezer. It feels nice and cool. It's not. It actually is. It naturally feels cooling. I'm going to show you one way that you can do it to help release stress. So between your eyebrows is a point called Yin Tong. So Yin Tong is a point that I can acupressure. I call it the unicorn point for obvious reasons. I also call it the aren't you going to do that point because a lot of patients, once I've done it on them once, they ask me, aren't you going to do that point if I start to leave the room before doing that point? So this area here, Yin Tong, is really good for calming the nervous system. It can also be used for sinus pressure relief, and headaches. One thing you can do if you don't have this tool is you could just gently massage this spot. So just gently massage with your fingertip. Feels nice. You can also apply just gentle, steady pressure on it. That also works. Little circular movements on it if you want as well. Another option is a tool like this. So you can actually apply pressure very gently with that, and it actually feels really calming and cooling. Now this tool itself can also be used for self-facials, so you can use it to improve circulation through the skin. It is on a roller, so it does gently glide along the skin. It is a nice way to kind of get some circulation going through your face. So even on the forehead, so even along there, it's not an area that's easy to massage otherwise, but you can basically use this roller tool and give a little bit of a massage through there. Obviously, if you're going over the eye, you want to go very gently with that. So that's a very simple tool. This is the mini one. There is a larger one that has a larger roller on one side. It's a double one, larger roller on one side and a smaller roller on the other one. I think this is really fantastic for home use. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Again, my name is Dr. Melissa Carr. I am a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine in Vancouver, BC, Canada. My website is activetcm.com. If you have any questions, happy to answer. Thank you.